what is virus and why the virus is so powerful, but it can be small like a particle that you cannot see. Virus is much smaller than the bacteria, and the bacteria is the virus that harmful to human. And the virus will contain a single or double-stranded nucleic acid, and it will surround by a protein shell called a capsid. Some virus will have an outer envelope that composed by the liquid and the protein. We will have a lot of specific type of virus, but in general, we just have two types: is good and bad. Good, we will have bacteriophage, also called as phage. It will kill the bacteria in our microbiomes, and it's very harmless to humans. But we will have a lot more type. Fun fact: if this virus stays in our body for a long time, can cause cancer. For example, like oncovirus, HPV, or HIV. Viruses are unable to generate its energy, like the obligate intracellular parasite. The replication, they are fully dependent on the biochemical machinery of eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. And the main purpose of the virus is to deliver its genome and allow its expression by our host cells. If you can hear clearly, you will hear the word genome. And what is genome? A genome is like a big concept, or you can call a group that consists of all kinds of DNA to make human, animal, or virus. The graph here is shown from DNA replication into the RNA transcription, and the last one is the translation. First is the replication. The DNA here, when they have all information, they will divide into two lines, and they will twist together again. And this is like a loop. They will divide into two lines again when they have enough information. Second is the transcription. The transcription here, you can see the RNA here have an area, then twist. So in here, we need to use mRNA. Here is the RNA, and when you give the mRNA into it, it will twist again the RNA. For example, like Mr. Victor is the scientist, and then Mr. Victor found a way to make an artificial mRNA, so then Mr. Victor can help a child that don't have emotion or they miss the hormone that they need, and can give that RNA into the RNA here. Last one is the translation. The protein here, when the mRNA is finished, they will go to the cytoplasm and they go to the ribosome machine. So the child that missed hormone can make protein, or we can call hormone again. The participating species in protein synthesis, the mRNA here, you can see the letter, and when you separate three letters, you can make one amino acid, and this amino acid will connect again, and they will be break out and they will make protein. Here's the metabolic graph show one human. Blue one will be the DNA to make human. And this blue, if you miss some, you will miss the part of your body. It's like hand or eye, or the heaviest is the brain. What happens if the virus genome goes to our body? It will make a gene disruption and cell death, and it will contributing to the species evolution. Thank you.